Hi there and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an item or a website from your bookmark list. As you can see, I have a number of websites on bookmark lists, so I want to remove one of them. For instance, I want to remove this on my bookmark. Now, to do so, there are two ways to achieve this. One, I can simply right-click on it and then click on delete. And as you can see, it is gone. Now, the second method that you can use to delete any website from bookmark, you can click on any space on the bookmark bar and right click on it. From here, click on Bookmark Manager, and as you can see, we have all the websites that have been bookmarked on this Chrome tab. So to remove any bookmark from Chrome, just go down the list and find the item you want to remove. Once you have found it, click on More Actions and click on it, and then select on Delete, and that's it. It has been deleted from the bookmark. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.